If you are planning to start a feed manufacturing business, you must understand that this is a capital-intensive venture. In this video guide, we'll discuss various aspects you need to know to start and run a successful feed mill poultry business.
Market research for a feed mill plant operation.
Market research is a critical component of any successful business, and the feed mill industry is no exception. Knowing your target market's demand for specific types of feed, the quantity they need, and at what price will help you make informed business decisions.
Determine market size and potential.
Market research helps feed mill owners to determine the market size, growth potential and forecast, and identify any market trends. These findings can be used to make informed decisions on the capacity of the mill plant operation and their capability to cater to the demand in the market. Analyzing your competitors can provide valuable insights into their strategies and areas of focus. Identify challenges and risks. Market research can help operators to identify any risks and challenges in the industry, including price fluctuation, demand volatility, and supply chain complications. Assess your inventory requirement. Effective inventory assessment is a crucial aspect of creating an ideal marketing research plan for your feed mill plant operation.
2. Sourcing raw materials suppliers.
Stock feed manufacturers heavily rely on raw materials such as maize, soybeans, wheat, millet, and other cereal grains. These materials make up a whopping 80% of the manufacturing costs. So, it's absolutely crucial for manufacturers to find the cheapest sources for these raw materials. One big advantage that stock feed manufacturers have is their immense buying power. They can negotiate better prices and strike favorable deals when purchasing raw materials, thanks to their significant clout in the market. To save costs, manufacturers use feed formulation software. This software has all kinds of nifty features, like ingredient optimization functions, that help nutritionists accurately determine the actual value of each raw material. The software also helps manufacturers decide how to allocate ingredients to different products in the most cost-effective way. To stay ahead of the game, stock feed manufacturers keep a close eye on the availability and prices of raw materials, both locally and globally. They can anticipate and deal with any shortages or price changes that might pop up in the local market. In West, East and Southern Africa, the main raw materials that are used in the manufacture of stock feeds can be classified into 6 groups, namely: Group 1. Animal proteins, meat and bone meal, blood meal, bone meal, fish meal, poultry byproduct meal, and feather meal. Group 2. Oils, seeds and cakes, whole cottonseed cake, soybeans, soybean meal, full-fat soya, sunflower seed, and sunflower cake. Group 3. Grains and cereals, maize, wheat, sorghum, millet, oats, barley, and cassava. Group 4. Byproducts, hominy chop, defatted maize residue, maize bran, clam kernel cake, rice bran, wheat feed, wheat bran, pollard, brewer's grain, paprika waste and molasses. Group 5. Roughages, hays and straws, cotton hulls, and maize crop residues. Group 6. Additives, vitamins and minerals, synthetic amino acids, urea, medicinals, growth promotants. Animal feed should meet nutritional requirements in terms of energy, protein, fiber and vitamins. Qualified nutritionists are employed to, among other strategic work, formulate rations at best cost, and to keep at the forefront of nutritional research. When solving for the best cost solution for a particular diet, certain considerations are taken into account, which include the following. 1. Nutritional requirements of livestock. 2. Genetic potential of livestock. 3. Stage of production. 4. Raw material specifications. 5. Raw material availability. 6. Maximum inclusion levels of raw materials. 7. Palatability of raw materials. 8. Cost of raw materials. 9. Distance of customer from mill. 10. On-farm management systems. 11. Producer price for the product. Commencing a poultry feed mill venture can be cost-effective, especially if you opt for a small-scale operation. Acquiring a standard poultry feed mill will consume a significant portion of your initial investment. However, if you choose to undertake a large-scale enterprise, you will need to seek additional funds to finance the business. To obtain startup capital for your poultry feed mill business, consider exploring the following options. 1. Utilizing personal savings and liquidating personal stocks and assets. 2. Attracting investors and forming business partnerships. 3. Selling shares to interested investors. 4. Applying for a bank loan. 5.
Presenting your business concept and applying for business grants and seed funding from donor organizations and angel investors.
6. Seeking soft loans from family members and friends.
Sourcing your equipment supplier.
You may need a hammer mill or grinder to grind the raw materials to a specific granule size suitable for your feed. You'll also need a mixer, pelletizer, conveyor belt, weigh scales, and a bag closing machine. Examine the equipment offered by each supplier to ensure it meets your business requirements. Consider factors such as capacity, efficiency, durability, maintenance requirements, and compliance with industry standards. Contact the shortlisted suppliers and request detailed quotations for the equipment you require. If possible, arrange visits to the facilities of potential suppliers to assess their manufacturing processes and quality control measures. Once you have evaluated and compared different suppliers, select the one that best meets your requirements in terms of quality, price, support, and reputation. Negotiate the terms and conditions of the supplier agreement, including delivery schedules, payment terms, and any additional services required. There are several reputable suppliers of feed mill equipment that you can consider for your business. 1. CPM. CPM is a global leader in the manufacture and supply of equipment for the animal feed processing industry. They offer a wide range of products, including hammer mills, pellet mills, mixers, and extruders.
Buhler.
Buhler is a leading supplier of process solutions for the feed milling industry. They provide a comprehensive range of equipment, such as pellet mills, extruders, mixers, and automation systems, designed to optimize feed production efficiency.
Andritz Feed and Biofuel.
Andritz is a trusted supplier of feed and biofuel equipment, offering technologies for grinding, pelleting, cooling, and automation.
Wenger.
Wenger is a renowned supplier of extrusion processing solutions for the animal feed industry. They offer innovative equipment for extrusion cooking, drying, and coating, enabling the production of high-quality feed pellets.
Adevinger Milling Engineers.
Adevinger specializes in the design and supply of feed mill equipment and complete turnkey projects. They offer a range of machinery, including hammer mills, mixers, pellet mills, and coolers, tailored to meet individual customer needs. Van Arsen International. Van Arsen is a well-established supplier of feed mill equipment and process automation solutions. They provide a wide range of equipment, such as hammer mills, pellet mills, and dosing systems, known for their reliability and efficiency.
Licenses and permits.
Before you begin operating a feed production business, it's important to understand that specific licenses and permits may vary depending on your location. Please consult with local authorities or regulatory agencies to ensure you meet all the necessary requirements. That being said, let's discuss some common licenses and permits you may need to start your feed production business. First, business license. Just like any other business, you'll typically need a general business license to legally operate your feed production business. This license is obtained from your local government or municipal office. Check with your local authorities to determine the specific requirements and application process. Second, zoning and land use permits. Feed mill poultry operations often have specific zoning requirements due to potential environmental impact or noise concerns. You'll need to ensure that your chosen location is zoned appropriately for feed production activities. Consult with your local planning department or zoning board to determine the specific regulations. Third, environmental permits. As feed production involves handling and processing various ingredients, it's important to address potential environmental concerns. Depending on the scale of your operation, you may need to obtain environmental permits, such as discharge permits or air quality permits. These permits ensure that your operation meets specific environmental standards and safeguards the surrounding ecosystem. Fourth, health and safety certifications. Since feed production involves handling and processing ingredients, it's essential to maintain strict health and safety standards. Consider obtaining certifications such as Good Manufacturing Practices, GMP, or Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Points, HACCP. Fifth, transportation permits. If your feed production business involves transporting feed to customers or distributors, you may need to obtain transportation permits. These permits ensure compliance with regulations related to vehicle safety, weight limits, and transportation of certain ingredients. Remember, these are just a few examples of licenses and permits you may need. It's crucial to thoroughly research the specific requirements in your area to ensure compliance with local, state, and federal regulations.
Business formation.
The choice of legal entity for your poultry feed mill business plays a significant role in determining its growth potential. Different poultry feed mills are designed to cater to various market scales, such as neighborhood, citywide, or national markets. For your poultry feed mill, you can opt for a general partnership, limited liability company, LLC, or even operate as a sole proprietorship. Typically, a sole proprietorship would be suitable for a small-scale poultry feed mill, particularly if you have a moderate startup capital and target a small neighborhood market. However, many people prefer the limited liability protection offered by an LLC for obvious reasons. Protect your intellectual property with trademark, copyrights, patents. While it may not be an immediate requirement, it is important to consider that there could be a need for intellectual property protection or trademark filing in the future for your poultry feed mill business. As your business grows and establishes a strong brand presence, there may arise instances where safeguarding your intellectual property becomes crucial. This could involve protecting unique formulations, product names, logos, or other proprietary aspects of your business. Therefore, it is advisable to stay vigilant and assess the potential benefits of intellectual property protection as your business progresses. Consulting with legal professionals specializing in intellectual property can provide valuable guidance on when and how to pursue such protection if the need arises.
Quality control measures.
Quality control measures are essential in a poultry feed mill business to ensure consistent feed quality and meet industry standards. Here are some key aspects of quality control in a poultry feed mill. 1.
Equipment calibration.
Regular calibration of equipment such as mixers, grinders, pellet mills, and scales is crucial to ensure accurate measurements and precise ingredient proportions.
Sampling and testing.
Regular sampling of raw materials and finished products is important to assess their quality and nutritional content. Samples are analyzed for moisture content, protein levels, fat content, fiber content, and other relevant parameters.
Monitoring of raw materials.
Monitoring the quality of incoming raw materials is essential to identify any variations or contaminants that could affect the feed quality. This includes inspecting ingredients for signs of spoilage, mold, pests, or foreign objects. Monitoring of finished products. Regular checks on finished feed products are conducted to evaluate their physical appearance, texture, pellet durability, and overall quality. This involves assessing factors such as particle size, uniformity, and absence of clumps or foreign materials. Monitoring finished products helps identify any deviations from the desired specifications and allows for necessary adjustments in the production process.
Documentation and record keeping.
Maintaining detailed records of all quality control activities is important for traceability and compliance purposes. It includes keeping records of raw material tests, production batch records, equipment maintenance logs, and any corrective actions taken. Starting a feed mill poultry business requires dedication, attention to detail, and a commitment to providing high-quality feed products. By following the guidelines outlined in this video, you will be well equipped to embark on this exciting journey and meet the nutritional needs of poultry farmers. Thank you for watching this video on starting a feed mill poultry business. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out our other videos on how to manufacture your own products and sell them for profit. We have tutorials and guides that can help you increase your efficiency, reduce costs, and improve the quality of your product. Thanks for watching.